Number 11 and 12. And then we're going to move on to the formulating. So I'm typing in exactly how it says x plus y is greater than 3. And 4x plus y is less than 4. So that's what I get for my graph. So all my intercepts are pretty nice, whole numbers. Okay, so I drew my lines. You can see on Desmos, it shows you where they overlap. It's that region right here. So that's where we shade. So then on 12, I graphed it. Once you put it in, you can touch the color and it goes away on the graph, so it kind of hides it. So you can turn it off. You can turn it back on. So you can see that this region down here, that's where they overlap. If I type that in right. Wait, we got another line. Okay. So, let me go back. Okay, so that's my starting line. They overlap here. So they're overlapping in this little area. Okay, so I drew my lines. If I cover up x, I get y equals -10. So that's my y-intercept at the blue line. If I cover up y, I get x equals -10. So that was my x-intercept with the first line. And the second one is saying I have a vertical line at x equals -1, and I'm shading to the right because I want x is greater than. And then the last one, I have a horizontal line at y equals 1, and I'm shading below because I want less than 1. So all these constraints overlap over here. So I'm going to shade over here. Okay, the last two. Ross, Chandler, and Joey go to Central Perk. I should say Park. Ross orders a coffee, 2 bagels, and a newspaper for $8. Chandler orders 2 coffees, 2 bagels for $9. Joey orders 1 coffee, 5 bagels, and a newspaper for $14. So what is the cost of each item? So you have 3 different people ordering 3 different items and getting 3 different costs. So this one you need to kind of organize before you can set up your equations. Like, look at one person at a time. So just look at Ross. Ross orders a coffee, 2 bagels, and a newspaper. So C plus 2B plus N equals $8. Then it says Chandler buys 2 coffees, 2 bagels for $9. 2C plus 2B equals a 9. And then Joey orders 1 coffee, 5 bagels, and a newspaper. So C plus 5B plus N equals 14. So now you have your equations, you can write your matrix. So you're going to have C, B, N, and then your numbers. Your cost. So you have 1, 2, 1, 8, 2, 2, 0, 9, 1, 5, 1, 14. So that's what you're putting in a calculator, and you should get decimals. Because cost, you can have fractional dollars, that's cents. So, and you can get like 250 or something like that. But it's not going to be negative. You can have decimals on this one. But there should be like 2 decimal places. So the next one says, Corey, Sean, and Topanga go shopping together. Corey buys a hat, 5 shirts, 2 pairs of pants for $126. Sean buys 5 hats, 3 shirts, and a pair of pants for $102. Topanga buys 7 shirts and 5 pairs of pants for $215. So what does it cost for a pair of pants? So again, you have to look at each person separately and set up an equation for each person. So Corey buys 1 hat, 5 shirts, and 2 pairs of pants. So hat plus 5 shirts plus 2 pairs of pants equals $126. And then 5 hats plus 3 shirts plus 1 pair of pants equals $102. And then Topanga buys 0 hats plus 7 shirts plus 6 pairs of pants, and that equals $215. So now you can write your matrix. 152, 126. 531, 102, 0, 7, 6, 215. You can get your answer, and it's only asking for how much does it cost for a pair of pants. That's all it cares about.